A flower for the beautiful life you're growing together. A smiley face for all the happy times you'll share for years to come.